and seniors, and good morning, Shravan sir. A warm welcome to everyone present in this meeting, and hope everyone's having a great week. So let's start the session with the invocation. This is who we are. We are a team, talented, energetic, astonishing mindsets. We can do anything and everything. We talk, we care, we respect each other. We see beauty in everything and everyone. We are connected by hearts and driven by values. We celebrate each other. We provide value to others. We take ownership in everything. We have freedom to make mistakes. We learn as we go. We are mad to make difference. We love disruptive ideas. We make impossible things possible. We are strong to question the creation. We believe in dreaming big. If we don't dare to dream big, are we really living? Why be ordinary when we can be extraordinary? This is who we are. So let's start the session. You're never too young to have extraordinary dreams because, as the lines in our invocation says, why be extraordinary when we can be extraordinary? Why be ordinary when we can be extraordinary? Today, we are here to share our goals with each other, to be inspired by others' ideas, to be motivated, to share a smile when we find a person having similar goals, and the most important thing, to be happy. Before starting the session, I would like to give you a sneak peek of questions so that you don't be worried. Okay, so the questions for this session are short-term goals, long-term goals, idea slash thought process behind your goals, transformation of your goal from your childhood. Was there any influence on your goals due to the people around you? Are you willing to create a career with your interests? If yes, what is that interest? Are you passionate about anything else other than your present goal? If yes, what is that? What is your passion? Do you have your parents' support in achieving your goals? What do you prefer, contentment or notable success? So let's start the session with Apurva. So how are you?
Good
How are
evening,
you doing?
everyone. Yeah, I'm doing good.
So can you tell us about your short-term goals?
Short-term goals, short-term goals are actually very important because all these steps we take now create a long path. So my short-term goals for now are I'm really working in app development team. So we as a team want to create an app for resell. Uh, in these coming months, and one more thing is we should complete our book writing our book which we have started recently. And then obviously getting good GPA is also a short term goal. And like after joining the 100-year crore plan by 30, I started planning every day, every week, and every month too. So yeah, for now these are my goals. And I'm also into website development, so I would like to learn that and help the team in doing that. So for now, these are my goals, short term goals.
Wow, that sounds great. So can you tell us about your long-term goals?
Like I said before, I have many goals actually. Like I want to be an IAS officer. I want to be an astronaut. I want to be, there are many actually. So, but uh, I really don't know what I am going to be after 4 years or after some whatever time. But all for now, all these goals are equally important for me. And
Can you tell me your transformation of your goal from your childhood to now?
childhood, yeah, childhood, I only used to have two goals in my mind, that is to become an astronaut and to become a scientist, because these goals always used to exhilarate me. Because I always all the people used to tell about goals like being a doctor, being a engineer and all. But I always being an astronaut only, I used to sound different. like like I said, I always wanted to be different. So these goals used to make me feel something out of box for me in the childhood. But after coming to 10th and all, I after seeing like uh, uh, like some sort of influence or like that, I uh, my goals tend towards social service also. Like then I was like, I can be a civil servant too. And then now after coming into ESL, like sir, Shravan sir was like, you should consider coming to US also. And like before that, I never had this thing in my mind about research and all, but now I'm pretty interested in research too. So yeah, this way my goals transformed.
That sounds great. That sounds great. We are happy that you are improving. Can you tell us about your interest or passion, or like if you are willing to pursue your interest and passion as your career?
Interests, like my interests keep changing, but for now, for present, I have something like I love cooking from many days, from many years. And I love knitting. I've learned it recently. And I love writing. If I can make something as my career, I think I can do writing as my career. If it like, actually, I'm open for everything now. But if I get a chance to make a career, I can make it in writing, because I always loved writing from childhood. My mom always says that you used to write on walls and here and there, and always keep writing. So I loved writing. And I used to like write many thank you letters, many birthday letters to my friends, but I never got one. But after coming to ESL, that my writing skills have developed definitely. And I'm happy that it got recognized. Yeah.
Don't worry, we'll be giving you more cards. Okay.
No, you are actually giving right now. I'm getting many cards.
Okay. So last question: do you prefer contentment or notable success?
Contentment for sure, because whatever it is, like though we achieve something great, if it is not like, if we don't do it by our heart, it doesn't feel happy. Like you'll have this thing, right? If a person chases money and becomes a millionaire, and he loses his family, it actually doesn't it's not something really great for me. But managing both and balancing both, and uh, creating a win-win situation in like balanced situation will be great for me. So I prefer contentment for sure, for whatever I do. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Apurva.
Thank you,
Moving
Viveka.
on, moving on. Hafsa, how are you? How are you doing? Hafsa, to you, Hafsa. Hi, Kushla, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
So, can you tell us about your short-term goals and long-term goals?
Short-term goal, I only have one thing for now, to get good GPA, and then I'm focusing in digital marketing, so I want to study it a little bit more. So these are my short-term goals for now. And long-term goal, I don't have a particular one, but if my studying goes smoothly, then I wish to do my MS or else get a good job after 4 years. So that's my.
Okay, wow. All the best. So, so can you tell me about your interests and passion, or like, are you really interested to pursue your interest and passion
Yes, I
as a
am
career?
very much interested in dancing. I have always loved it since my young age, and if I get a chance, then I'm definitely willing to pursue my career in that. Yeah, I'm trying to. So we have to see.
Can you tell us about your transformation of your goal from childhood to now?
Mine actually at first I wanted to become a doctor, doctor. There's no particular reason, but just casual, okay, let's become a doctor, thing like that. And then it has changed to genetics, and then CSC, and then now I came to food technology. So it's just a random change.
I guess everyone during their childhood wants to become a doctor. Even I was like that.
Yeah,
So, I don't know why that's maybe a human thing or an
yeah,
Indian thing,
maybe.
maybe. So,
Yeah,
so what do you prefer, contentment or success, notable success?
definitely contentment. I have a life motto like don't regret anything. So whatever decision you take, we have to think carefully and take so that I don't regret later. So that's why I prefer a contentment more than success.
Wow, wow, that's a great answer. Thank you so much, Kushla.
Thank you.
Nivedita, hi.
Hello. Oh, can you hear me, Vivita?
Yeah, yeah. Now we can hear you. How are you? How are you doing?
Yeah, fine. What about you?
I'm great. So, can you tell us about your short-term goals and long-term goals?
Yeah. I actually think that short-term goals are nothing but a smart setting goals. For example, like exploring yourself something new every day, and also dreaming big, and also learning like for example learning technical skills. I'm in digital marketing, and also we are also writing a book, uncommon accomplishments of everyday people. So long term goals, like I have many, like to have a public sector job, and also like the first thing is I want to pursue PhD or masters in USA, and the second is to have a public sector job in our country. Yeah, that's it.
Wow, everything sounds great. All the best.
Thank you.
Uh, moving on. So, what do you think? Like, do you ever want to? Do you have any interest or passion other than this? And do you want to pursue it in as a career?
Yeah, I have in many, like in dancing, in singing, and also to become a young writer or author. And also I have a goal like to be a guitarist also.
Wow, wow, superb. So, what do you think? What do you prefer, contentment or notable success?
Contentment, for sure. It is contentment, because without that,
That's it.
yeah.
Okay. So, can you tell us about your transformation of your goal from childhood to now?
Yeah, in my childhood, I used to think like I always used to think to have a like to be a government teacher because I really like kids a lot, so I want to spend time with them. But then on, like I don't know how my goals are transformed, and I think ESL is one of the main reason to make me dream big, and I feel like that. And I really have bigger dreams now when I compare myself from the past and then now.
Wow, wow. We are feeling grateful to hear this from you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Have a great day. Deepthi, moving on. Can we have you?
Yeah.
So, how are you? How are you
First,
doing?
I have a question. Like, not a yeah. I'm good, Vivekta. Doing great. First, I would like to ask my friends that do they have any ideas that they are the ideas that they are worrying them. Like they want to do, but they are not getting any sources for them. Like we can have and make them possible. So I just wanted to ask my friends, do they have anything like that? If they have, like if they share with us or any of our recent members, we'll try to do it together. As we are working, like we thought of inviting Dan Rose Garden like that. So So if anyone also have such thoughts, like I want them to share so that they can also get their dreams come true or want to achieve anything. Okay, coming to my side, uh, short term goals are like whatever we are doing now, I need to complete them in time. Like writing book or any other things. Like even I want to do something like research paper. When sir said, I got just interested in that, and we are as a team searching for the topic also, and we are working on that also. You know all as well. Coming to long term goals, pursuing PhD and getting into research area first thing, and simultaneously I want to prepare for the UPSC exams. That's it. Hobbies, coming to hobbies and interests, I have many like art, calligraphy, gardening. I just have one dream, like not to leave my passion in between due to academics or any other thing. I just want to continue my like giving separate. I just want to give separate time for them. Like we should not do that in our free time, but we should give a separate time for them so that we can concentrate on that also. So I just do want to do that. Next questions like I'll just
So that's a really great thing. I mean, yeah, even I feel that we need to give separate time to them to pursue them or to improve daily in them. Thank you so much for
yeah.
sharing that. So
And coming to
can you
coming to
tell us your
transformation. Yeah. When I was like a kid of 6 years or 7 years maybe, I used to teach the chairs and walls in my I used to write on walls, and we used to have like a overhead tank and all, and used to write on tank and teach all the walls, trees, chairs in front of me. Like my father, when I was writing on walls, my father got fed up and he brought blackboards. Many blackboards have broken them, and finally he brought a whiteboard which is like beside me now. So that was my, maybe I don't know, it was in my blood. Teacher is in my blood, I don't know. I guess that was my transformation from a teacher. Now just when I was like growing up, maybe in 6th standard and 7th standard, I got to know about this UPSC, mainly not UPSC exam, like collector and IAS, what are their duties, like what they can do in the society. When I got through this, I just fixed like, okay, I can do this when I become an IAS officer. And also, but when I get into ESL, sir said one thing, that it is not mandatory to get into that position to do what we want. Like we can do in the position where we are also. So that time I got that, yeah, it's not mandatory to become an IAS to do what I wanted to. Now also I can do that. So I'm like, I should try on that also. But I won't be taking that from my goals and all. Yeah.
wow, sounds really great. That's a huge thing. And for me it's a huge thing that you got to know about this UPSC things, all about these things in sixth only, because I got to know them in ninth or something, or maybe after that. So uh last, so do you prefer contentment or notable success?
Obviously, contentment. The results are like same as Apurva and Kusla they have said. Like my motto is just not to be fully tensed up to our what we gain and all, and after that earning money and all that. But I just want to like not luxurious also, just what we need to live. I just want that and to be happy. That's it.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so much,
Viveka.
Deepti. Nishita, hi,
Hi.
how are you doing?
Yeah, good.
So can you tell us about your short term goals and long term goals?
Yeah. When it comes to short-term goals, whatever I am involved in at present, whatever in projects I'm involved, I just want to complete them. And when it comes to long-term goals, I want to pursue PhD. And also even I want to become an entrepreneur, uh, and many things. And even I want to get job in government sector. Uh, I have to start preparing for that. So I'm doing that.
Wow,
And
great.
and when it comes to me, my parents are supportive. Like whatever I'm doing, they were like encouraging me. Whatever I want to do, like they will always be supportive, and they will not tell me that you should not do this. You should go in this way only, or you should pursue this only. They are not like that. Whatever I'm interested in, like they will support me, and one
Wow,
that is I feel so lucky for that.
wow, great. Thank you so much. I mean, all the best also for your goals.
Thank you so much. And
So,
even yeah,
can you tell me about your interests and passion, and like, are you interested to create a career out of them?
yeah, I love dancing really, and even I love drawing. But I am not perfect in that, but I want to do that.
Okay, it's okay. You can learn it anytime.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Uh, so, can you tell me about your transformation of your goals from
yeah.
childhood?
Whatever you said, when I was in my childhood, I want to become a doctor, and same thing. Like after after I complete my 10th, then when I entered into the MPC group, then it was like I kept aside. Then I want to become an engineer, or I should do something differently.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So, last, so do you prefer contentment or notable success?
Definitely, I will prefer contentment only, because whatever the work we are doing, we should feel that. That's it. And I feel I prefer contentment only.
Okay. Thank you so much, Nishita.
Thank you, Viveka.
Afsa, coming back
Hello,
to you, how are you?
I'm great. Am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah, you're clear.
Okay.
So, can you tell us about your long-term goals and short-term goals?
Okay, so short-term goals, they are definitely to perform good in this semester, uh, like concentrating on my other projects that I'm a part of, and yeah, those are my short-term goals. So doing everything in a, you know, prioritized manner, not panicking. So that those are my short-term goals. And coming to my long-term goals, they are to get a PhD and
Oh,
get into research and development.
wow, great. All the best, Afsa.
Thank you.
Can you tell us about your transformation of your goals from childhood to now?
Okay. When I was young, I wanted to become an astronaut, and then, uh, like with time, the goals transformed, and I gained a particular interest in chemical engineering. So,
Okay, great. Even I had something similar. So, can you tell us about your passions and interests? And are you interested to make career out of them?
well, I don't have such passions or interests that I want to make a career out of. So, yeah, like I have gained a particular interest in writing review articles after being part of one, and I want to write a book, but they are just interest. I don't want to make a career out of them.
Okay, it's still fine. What do you prefer, like contentment or success, notable success?
I prefer contentment with success. Yeah, it's quite rare, but they can go hand in hand. It's not. Uh, I think it's a tough job, but yeah, we can try for that. So I prefer contentment with success. Uh, Surely contentment comes first, but yeah, let's try to keep it both of them hand in hand.
Wow, I just love your answer. I was waiting. Ki- Someone should tell that answer at least. Thank you so much, Afsa. Have a
Thank you,
great day.
Vivekta. Yeah.
Swapna, hi. How are you?
Hello, Vivita. Fine. What about you?
I'm great. So, can you tell us about your short-term goals and long-term goals?
Yeah, sure. My short-term goals is nothing but I want to learn more things from ESL, and I want perform in good performance in semester, and I want to manage my projects. These are my short-term goals.
Your long-term goals?
Not long-term goals are many, but finally I want to stand on my own feet. Mm, I after my graduation, I didn't depend on my family. Mm,
Wow,
yeah.
great. That's a great thought, Swapna. All the best for that. So, can you tell us about your transformation of goals from childhood to now?
Yeah, when I studied third, I thought a teacher is a great profession. In that profession, we can rule all students. I thought same. When I became a teacher, I will be rule all students and teach them in a good manner. And after my schooling, when I entered in intermediate, my secretary IPS RS Praveen Kumar, I inspired lot from him. Mm, then I decided I want to become an IPS officer in that time when I studied intermediate.
Oh, great. So, can you tell us about your interests and passion? And are you interested to make career out of them?
Yeah, I love drawing, and I love drawing. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Swapna, last, do you prefer contentment or success, notable success?
I will prefer contentment success, and at the same time, that success will useful to others.
Wow, that's really great. That's a really great thought. Thank you so much and all
And
the best.
thank you. And I would like to share one thing.
Sure, sure.
Mm, at that time, at this time after graduation, we have some support from parents and friends. A small comparison between a chemical reaction and a girl life. Mm, Let me know that comparison. We know chemical reaction is nothing but reactants, and it will give products. In between of reactants and products, we have to apply the catalyst. The catalyst is nothing but the alter the reaction. Increase and I mean catalyst is increase the reaction. In these reactants is nothing but a graduation of a girl, and the product is achievement of a girl. The catalyst play a role that the confidence and hard work and the support of parents. If a girl lost the confidence and hard work and their support of their parents, then she can't achieve anything.
Great thoughts, Swapna. Thank you so much. Shravan, sir, you wanted to say something?
Okay. So first of all, you guys are doing a great job. This is, you're really doing very well with the way you're discussing. That's the most important thing is respectful discussions, respectful conversations are, the way to go. Uh, Regarding, contentment, which is a really good question. Contentment or success, those are both really good words. So So I wanted to tell you a couple of thoughts about those two words. Okay, success is a definition which you have to define for yourself first. Someone else's definition of success might not be your definition of success. So that's one thing. Okay. Second is regarding contentment. Again, that is a definition which you have to also figure out what that definition means to you. If you say, okay, I'm happy, I have everything I want, your brain is not going to stop working. So the next minute, your brain will be saying, okay, you didn't do something, and it's going to start critiquing you. And so it is hard to be content without a goal. If you have a goal and you're walking on that path and be contented along the way, that is what I think is, what we have to do. Otherwise, if I just say, oh, I'm contented, I've done so much, I've written books, I have made money, I have done this, and yeah, that's good, but the next minute, what is it? What are your children thinking? What are your friends thinking? What are your mm, different groups of people? What are they thinking about you? So you start getting influenced by all these things, and the so-called contentment might not really last for more than a second or 2 or 3 seconds. So contentment is a ongoing process, I think. And so you should be contented and be happy and move on with your goals. I don't know whether I made sense or not. I hope I did. But I just wanted to tell you those two thoughts.
Surely, sir.
One new perspective again. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing.
So moving on, Chandanana, how are you?
Yes. I am fine. Super also. Okay.
So
First of
can
all,
you
good
tell us
evening.
about?
Good
Yeah,
evening, and nice to listen all your words from everyone expressed very well. And also thank you for everyone for being kind to listen my words, share and also listening to what I am saying. Okay, thank you. Go on, Vikta.
So Anna, can you tell us about short-term goals and long-term goals?
About my short-term goals, I have a lot of short-term goals. For example, a simply short-term goal is I just need to improve my handwriting, or I have to be pro in what I am using skills. It might be in speaking English, or it might be in making everything exams or everything. And the present short-term goals, if I want to say, I need to complete all my projects. I'll have to learn Python. I have to learn Proto and many more. And I just need to improve myself for every day. I just need to improve. These are my short-term goals.
Okay, Anna, thank you so much. Long-term goals, Anna?
About long-term goal, I have one long-term goal, that is I need to do a PhD in US, and then uh, on waste management sector, and also in one of the sector, fuel cell technology. And then I need to invent something, and after that having a entrepreneurship business or such, like in India. This is what I pictured very recently, very recently.
Wow, Anna, all the best. So can you tell us about your transformation of goals, your goals from childhood to now?
From childhood. Okay. Actually, I doesn't have any childhood goal. Okay, let me say I have many many childhood goals at any at every point of my at seventh I think so. I am eagerness to become an IAS officer, and then at 10th I said myself that I need to help farmers. I need to invent something so that they can have something very good. From my side, I need to help them. When I came to intermediate, then I thought after intermediate, then I thought I need to I should become a scientist. I should want to become a scientist. Mm, that's it. Mm.
Wow, thank you, Anna. So, can you tell us about your interests and passion, and are you interested to make career out of them?
No, I don't have such idea that, but I am very passionate about in making work smarter. Mm, and I don't have any ideas now to express here. I need to think for these questions. So you can skip the question.
It's okay, Anna. Passion can be anything, as
Mm.
you said. So, so do you prefer contentment or success?
Okay. Can anyone please again redefine for if it might be it not might be the perfect definition. Please go anyone. What is contentment and what is notable success? Then I have my own clarity. Let me listen from you one. Then I'll get to speak something on that. If not, you can go on to next.
It's okay, Anna. You can tell your views about this. So, for me, basically, what contentment means that, like, satisfaction. I guess satisfaction is the right word for, yeah, for contentment. And success can be anything. Being satisfied can also be success, according to me. So, I would prefer both. So,
Okay. I just listen. Okay, it's very nice to hear, Vivekta. Uh, thank you for explaining me. Okay. I too prefer both of them. Uh, I have also I want to prefer both of them. Okay, that's it from my side. You can ask still more any questions.
that's it, Anna. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Have a
wait a
great.
minute. Beside near to me, my friend Rohit is also there. He also willing to share something with you. You can ask.
Hi, Rohitana. How are you?
Fine, fine, Vikta.
Can you tell us about your short-term goals and long-term goals?
Yeah, definitely. First of all, before telling that, thank you for the session. Because future endeavors, if you listen to the word future endeavors, just take an example. If you tell someone about your dreams and all, you keep on telling them, nobody will listen this much time, first of all. So we are listening to each other. That is one of the great things I can say. So future endeavors is very important for that matter. So yes, short-term goals. Coming to short-term goals, things change on time, right? So short-term goals are also changing. Presently, shortest of the shortest of mine is to complete practicals with a good knowledge, practical exams and all. And coming to shortest of shortest is practical exam, and shortest is we are planning to have worst and I mean world younger billionaire Ritesh Agarwal with us. So so bringing Ritesh Agarwal to the ESL platform is also one of my short term goal. And Harsha Bogle, this was my short term goal from the first year itself. Harsha Bogle, one of our alumni. So meeting Harsha Bogle is also one of my shortest goals, not short term, shortest. So and making book complete, voices of mentors. Mentors are play important role in life, right? So completing book, as Apurva said, we team are going to complete it. So it's also considered a shortest goal. And of course, review and research papers as well. And short goals. Coming to short goals to get experience with broad knowledge in chemical engineering through different internships in research centers like IISc, NCL laboratories in Mumbai, and IICT. So these centers to which I'm aiming for, like getting this platform to scope up our knowledge in the field of engineering, or what we say chemical engineering. So this is also a short term goal, and get more experience in chemical engineering. And of course, best chemical engineering, I can say. It may sound weird, but it's also considered a short term goal of mine. And coming to long term goals, long term, it's a long one. So aiming at a best topic, at a best university, and at a best professor, with best professor to give the best to the society. This is what I'm aiming for, like long term goal, like and end PhD at the same time. This is long term. And uh, longest term or longer term, I can say, and to set up a company which can add value to the people and help others. And that company should be in India, in our nation. So I strongly believe. And if you ask, I would say everything in the one question you asked, childhood. What is the transformation from childhood to now? So from the childhood, I believe in one. Like you should not be one in all, but you should one for all. So this is what motivating me every time. You should not be one in all, but one for all. So we are striving for that, right? Everyone are striving for that, and of course we can definitely make it possible. So and transformation, the goal is not transformed, but the approach towards goal is transformed for me. The topmost point is the same one, like providing value to the others, setting a company, or and making innovations in science and technology. From the childhood itself, it is the main and only the aim of mine. But the approach changes, right? So taking engineering, chemical engineering, PhD, and it is one of the way, and doctor and everything. So that's how it has gone. And it's so and it's so technical one. And one more thing about spiritual, like about philosophical, I want to like it's a long term or short or shortest, or whether I don't know whether it can be called as long term or longest or shortest or short, but spreading the knowledge of spirituality in the society. Not so like not only technical, it is also included in my list. Of course, it should also include in our list very soon. It will be including like. So this is what my goals, and as I said, things become change on time. This is also not confined now. This may change after a year or after a month or after a minute also. So this is what for this minute.
Thank you so much, Anna. I just love the differentiation of shortest, longest goals. I just really love that. It was really great hearing that. So, can you tell us about your passion or interests, if any? And are you willing to pursue it as a career?
Yes, my passion was always science and technology. Engaging with the science and technology, like I use every time we are sitting, like just give an example. We are living in a luxurious life. We are sitting under a fan, under a light. We just on a switch. We are having everything. So that's so the background work is like likewise. So even we should also do such background work to renovate something, like re-innovate something, or that can be useful, like we can lead more luxurious life than now. So this is my passion in science and technology, and it can be achieved through chemical engineering, I believe. Yes.
Oh, thank you so much, Anna. So, at last, do you prefer contentment or success?
Yeah, I prefer both, to be frank, contentment and notable success. So contentment, satisfaction and happiness is what we aim for every time. At the same time, if we are not with our success, because we are doing like we are following a mission to achieve a vision, right? We are setting up great goals, great dreams of ours to achieve. So a notable success should be there for that. Like even if it is not like make it real, we are happy, but if it add into our life like notable success, we'll be more happy, so contentment will increase. So I would say contentment and notable success are not different words or different meanings. It are interrelated. If you have contentment, and it may give a motivation to achieve success, or if you are a notable successful person, it like already contentment is in you, and it can be spread to every one of us. So spreading an ultimate point is of mine is to add value to others. So either it is setting up a company or social activities or eradication of poverty or everything. At the end of the day, everyone should lead a better life, and that should possible with us. Exactly, that will be possible with us. Yes, that's what.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you so much. It was great listening to you.
And
Moving on, Chandrudu.
Yes, Vivikta.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, Vivikta. What about you and all the people in this meeting?
I'm great. Thank you so much. So, can you tell us about your short-term goals and long-term goals?
First of all, I am pleasure to be here about saying myself to thanks to all to bearing me and my thoughts. My short-term goals are mainly communication skills because I I need to improve a lot in communication skills. And another short-term goal is I'm writing a programming book which is on C language, uh, because our seniors are writing so many books on chemical engineering and all other pro to blah blah blah. So I decided that why can't I make a book in programming language? So I've started writing a book in C language, and to get the best GPA in first sem, so that I will be able to uh, get succeed after. I mean, after all the BTech, I will have a good CGPA. And coming to long term goals, when I was a child, uh, thoughts will be like I need to become a scientist because scientists are. I mean, their working will be as their breathe. They'll never lose their work. Uh, and coming to intermediate and 10th class, I have decided that scientist doesn't suits me because I don't have that much of talent to get think and uh, so I decided that to get a job in one of the one of the best companies in India like Google or Microsoft or any other. I mean, if I didn't get that, and the another one is to get best IIT because I have tried a lot to get to an IIT from in intermediate, but I lost in that. But uh, I have still choice so that I'll get an IIT at least in MTech or so that I'm aiming to IIT now. Mm, and that's are my short term and long term goals.
All the best, Chandrudu. All the best for your book too. That's
Thank
great.
you a lot. Thanks a lot.
So, can you tell us about your interests and passion, and are you willing to convert them into a career?
My interests are to. I really like events like Tech Quiz or technical quests or non-technical or anything. I love to participate in those technical or non-technical events. Coming to Ideathon, that was a really one of the best memories in my life. So I convert those likes or interesting things to my passion, because technical skills will help us to write codes in those interviews or the campus interviews. So I like uh, participating in events. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much. So, can you tell us about your? Can you tell what do you prefer, contentment or have success, notable success?
I prefer both, because being content to get success. We have to be content and get succeeded, so that we'll have our contentment and success too. So I prefer being content to get succeeded.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Chandru, and all the best. Have a great day. Deepak,
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
so Deepti, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, Chandrodu said that he wanted to become like he wanted to do research, but he was not capable of doing that. I just want to say that not to discourage himself, and I encourage him to go for research if he is really interested, but not to discourage himself and leave for that.
Actually, I love mathematics, and I thought that at least a single research, I should do a single research in any single topic. So I'll get that after my graduation.
Okay,
Anyway, thank you, Deepti.
all the best.
Thank you.
Hi, Deepak. How are you?
Good evening. Good evening, everyone, and good morning, Shaman sir.
So, can you tell us about your short-term goals and long-term goals?
Both short-term and long-term goals. I have a lot of goals which I can differ between the short-term and long-term ones, because I'm just I'm trying to achieve them as I go. So I want to become a scientist, a manga artist, a musician, a dancer. Like there are so many things that I just can't differ. I just can't group them as a short term or long term goals. So I'm just trying to achieve them as I go. That's
It's okay. It's okay. All the best. So, can you tell us about your transformation of your goal from childhood to now?
from childhood to now. Well, like till fifth, I thought of becoming an IAS officer, because my mom used to tell me to become an IAS officer because it has a really good future and all. So as I reached sixth standard, I realized that number one, I'm not really good at social studies, and I'm not totally into becoming an IAS officer. And number two, I'm an adventure seeker. So I try to live and enjoy each and every moment in my life. And also, I want to do things in a totally adventurous way. So I guess it's not suitable to me. And number three, I love creating things. So I always keep thinking of like I examine. I observe things around me, like how do they work and why is it this way. So I used to have this curiosity. So I realized it when I reached the sixth standard. So I wanted to become a scientist. And then as I progressed, my create. I I realized that my creativity has got like different branches, like into gaming field and manga and writing books and stories. So not only in science field, but in all other fields. So uh,
Sounds so
as
diverse.
yeah, so on reaching intermediate, I decided that I'm going to accomplish as many things as I can in my whole lifetime.
Wow. Thank you so much, Deepak. So, can you tell us about your interest or passion, and do you want to pursue them as a career?
Um, as a career, mm, I mean, I haven't thought about career. I mean, like a stream of earning money. I mean, that's what you call a career, right? So I haven't thought about it a lot. So I'm just thinking of how can I achieve the things that I've been dreaming to do right from my previous answer. So about career, I don't have much plans. So I think I should do from now.
It's okay. It's never too late, and it's never too early too. So, thank you. Thank you so much. What do you prefer, contentment or success?
Um, contentment between contentment and success. I mean, I don't think I will be satisfied with any of them because from the childhood when I achieve something, I mean, when I have some notable success, so it just stays for like an hour or two. That's it. I mean, that contentment and that feeling of achievement, it just stays for an hour or two. That's it. And after that, so it's gonna go away. So and I will get diverted to different things. So I want, I mean, even though it stays for a short time, I want contentment, and that contentment comes with success. So it's like both of them are like two sides of a coin. So
Yeah, correct. Yeah. Thank you so much, Deepak. Have a great day.
thank you.
Tarun, hi. How are you? Tarun, are you there?
Yeah, Vivikta. Sorry.
How are
Hello,
you?
Vivikta, and hello, everyone. And Vivikta, my short-term goal is improving my skills better than yesterday. And and my long-term goal is to become a mining scientist, graphic designer, and web developer.
Oh wow.
Mhm.
That's interesting, Tarun. So, can you tell us about your transformation of your goals from childhood to now?
From politician to scientist.
Oh, that's like poles apart.
Wow. Yes, Vivikta. In my childhood, politics influenced me a lot. That's why I. Next question, Vivikta.
I guess you're the first person who's saying that who wanted to be a politician. So, I mean, I didn't even know who was a politician during my childhood.
I really
So,
interested in social studies also, Vivikta, and I really love that subject too.
yeah. Uh, okay. So, can you tell us about your interest and passion, and are you willing to convert them into a career?
Yeah, becoming a good poet.
Whoa, cool. So,
Mm,
last, can you tell us which one would you prefer, contentment or success?
I believe my final success is contentment living about my past results. Are you getting, Vivikta?
No, I did not understand. Can you repeat once?
I believe that my final success is contentment living about my past results. The-
Oh, okay. That's great. That's a great idea. I mean, that's a great thought. Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you,
Uh,
Vivikta, for hearing me. Thank you, everyone.
Ridvija Akka?
Hello, Vivita. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. So, can you tell us about your short-term goals and long-term goals?
Okay, I'm gonna answer two questions together. Um, Short-term goals and long-term goals, and contentment and success. Together, I gonna answer you. First of all are saying that contentment is important, either success is important or both. I want to give some ideas so that I don't want them to change their point of view, but I wanna give some ideas to them. When we do a work, we do with full satisfaction, so that we reach to some point. That point where we reach is success. Again, after reaching to that point, we want to stay on that point or we want to go on to the higher point. Again, we'll do work with satisfaction. Again, we'll go to next point. So I think they both are done by simultaneously. One cannot be done alone. And short-term goals, short-term goals, I have like the works I involved, the works I thought to do. Few works I have, like completing my shortest goal is to complete my practical exam successfully. And my remaining other short-term goals are like doing some, incomplete works, which I was thinking to complete it since last year. And if I would complete that, it would help me a lot. And the long-term goals are like, I want to do it with whatever the work I get, I want to do it with the contentment. I have few goals. I don't have a goal like what to do, but I know for what I have to do. So I wanna search what can I do for making my things happen.
Wow, that's a
Of course,
yeah.
of course,
Continue.
it might be confusing. Of course, it might be confusing. I have a small idea to create in the society. So I wanna. I don't know what to do for making that idea possible, but I want to create that idea. I was searching for that way to create the best way to create it. I think so. I answered two questions.
Yeah, that's a great ideology also, and I feel it's never too late to find out your passion or something. Even I am searching for it. Even I don't know in which things I'm great, so it's fine. So can you tell us about your
See,
transformation?
One minute. In first year, we used to think like we should become a scientist, or we have to go towards research side. After coming to second year, we want to choose some subjects. After coming to third year, we want to choose some processes. After coming to fourth year, we want to choose some universities and some professors, right? So every
Yes,
year our long-term goals also keep changing. I don't say that this is my fixed goal. I want to change it the best way. Yeah.
surely, Akka.
Next question.
Yeah. So what are your interests and passion, and are you willing to convert it into a career?
Generally, whatever the goal we choose with a passion or interest. it is career optional, right? And I don't say all my interests and passions are my goals, but I say I keep my my destination with my passions.
Yeah, maybe Akka. I mean, sometimes we might not, we might have another passions too. So I was asking about them.
Yeah, I have something when I find something interesting. I don't know that I'm interested in that, but when I find it interesting, I wanna do it with a passion, whatever it is. Like first year, I don't know that I can do puzzles, but whenever we got a Sunday, we used to do. Whenever we got a puzzle to do, we used to do. That's by seeing it, I got an interest. That's a passion. I made it into passion.
Yeah, 'cause sometimes, yeah, we might have to come across those kind of incidents, and they turned out to be something else in future. So, thank you so much, Akka. Supraja.
And one more thing I
Yeah.
want to uh, tell everyone that I found my juniors very excited, very interested, very what I say, very inspiring. Each of them, each of them are in a different level than us, higher level than us. I wish this, I mean, the spirit each one carries should increase and should go beyond us.
It's
Thank you,
everyone
thank
thought,
you.
Ashaka. Thank you for saying before of us.
Thank you so much, Akana. Like whoever seniors are there. So Supraja.
Vivika, I think she cannot talk.
Oh,
We'll
okay,
move
okay.
on.
Yeah, sure. Musa Hussain. Hi, how are you?
Hi, good evening.
Uh,
My short-term goals are to learn Python and get good marks in the semester, and to create a artificial intelligence uh, that can that is sentient, that can talk, that can do multiple things at the same time. It's not multitasking, but it's different. I do not want to, it's a bit complex, so I do not want to confuse people.
okay, thank you. All the best. So can you tell us about your transformation of your goals from childhood to now?
Uh, when I was a child, I wanted to become a scientist. That I read this book. It was an encyclopedia. It was a type of book about science. In that, they showed about the sheep that was that was created in a laboratory. So I that's how why I wanted to become a scientist. But now I want to create an intelligent life that can do multiple tasks and predict the trajectory of a rover that goes from the earth to Mars and etc.
Wow,
Thank you.
that sounds amazing. That sounds great. So, can you tell us about your interest and passion, and would you like to convert them into a future, into a career?
Yeah, the this I wanted to basically create life or an intelligent organism when I was small. So this developing an artificial intelligence itself is my passion.
Okay, they sound so great. Like, oh. So can you tell us, like, what do you prefer, contentment or success? Notable success.
In my opinion, if you are successful, then you will be satisfied or content. So it's both in any case. If I'm successful, I'm content. If I'm content, I'm successful.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Moving on, Dhanusha. Let's move on. Suryana, how are you?
Good evening, Vivikta. Good evening, everyone. I'm doing great. How are you?
Good evening, Anna. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Tarun.
Great, Anna. So, so can you tell us about your short-term goals and long-term goals?
My short-term goals are to do well in the coming semester exams and to master transport phenomena, mass transfer operations, and to learn SimCentral, to finish the Our Story book and documentary, and to do well on the March 6th presentation as a team. And that is it, Vivikta. Currently, these are the things on my to-do list.
Okay, Anna. Thank you so much. So, all the best. And can you tell us about your long-term goals?
My long-term goals are to find the right question, to ask the right question on which I can go in depth and pursue my PhD on. So that is one of my most important long-term goals, that to find the right question. And that is it for now.
Sounds really deep, Anna. So, can you tell us about your transformation of your goal from childhood to now?
Childhood. From childhood, I did not have such big goals. I was always more concerned about the examination, what was going to be the result of the examination. How should I was more worried about how I should be facing my parents in case I scored less marks. So that really prevented me from thinking big or dreaming big. But then over time, I realized that grades were not very important, and by enjoying the subject, we are automatically going to get the grades. It is the thinking process which is important, to question the subject, to question what the things we are learning. And that is how I transformed during high school. And the transformation was even more profound during the 4 years of my BTech.
Oh, that's really great, Anna. We are happy to hear that. So, can you tell us about your interest and passion? And are you interested to convert them into, make a future out of them?
Yes, definitely. I think making our career should be based on our passions, and only then we can live happily and enjoy our happiness and everyone's happiness around us.
Thank you so much, Anna. So, can you tell us about your, what do you prefer, contentment or notable success?
Vivikta, another long-term goal which I forgot was to earn 100 crores, the 100 crore project.
That's maybe in the list of many of us.
Yes.
Yeah, we all forgot, Anna. Thank you for reminding.
So, Anna, can you tell us what do you prefer, contentment or success, or both?
Definitely both. And I'm more inclined to contentment.
Okay, Anna. Thank you. Thank you so much for attending.
Thank you, Vivikta. Thank you very much.
Have a great day, Anna.
Thank you.
Dhanusha, are you there? Okay, maybe she's having a network issue. So that's it. Any final thoughts? Anyone?
Yeah, we would like to ask you the same questions you have asked us.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's our time. Vivekta, you answer the questions. The first
Yes,
one.
same
Yeah,
questions,
come
copy
on.
paste.
Short term.
Short-term
Okay.
goals.
Short-term goals. Okay. Short-term goals is to start a research paper, then bring many big and successful people to our ESL, then like move on and then do further projects if possible. Then completing Python, that's a really big goal for me. Then improving in biology because I'm really weak. I understood that with this exam. So uh, so yeah, and also improving my writing skills. I recently found out that I'm pretty good in that and I should be doing that regularly. So yeah. So coming to my long-term goals, so as Ashaka said, they keep changing for me every year. Presently, this I feel is I should earn a job after 4 years. After this 4 years after my degree. So
Yeah, transformation from childhood to the big you now.
so okay, I'll tell you in the order. Till sixth, I wanted to be a doctor, but then something happened that I was scared again to become a doctor, so I just left that thing. Then to become a sound engineer or like do something in music, that was a thing for me in ninth. Then coming to inter first year, I knew I took MPC, I should be doing engineering according to the society, but then I wanted to do fashion designing. uh, so yeah, that was the thing. Now yeah, of course, after coming to 12th, it was to do chemical engineering and I am doing it. So
Yeah. The next one, your interests.
as I told you, so I have interest in music, I have interest in fashion. I have fashion, it can be anything. Now I also have interest in interior designing and recently gardening also.
The water plants, right?
And there are many, like they keep changing, some keep changing. So I like writing also, uh, and doing
Guitar
something
also.
related. Yeah, guitar. I mean, I thought it comes under music. So
Music.
Yeah.
So, contentment or success or both or what?
I want both. As I answered before, like I want both. Notable success. Yeah, contentment more, but then according to me, success is having satisfaction in doing what you're doing. So for me, both. Yes.
Thank you, Vivekta. You handled it really well. We all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being so patient.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Apurva. Sir, any final thoughts?
Hey, very well done, all of you. Uh, you know, mm, it is really, whenever I see all of you talking and everything, it makes it really look, this is what I really wanted to happen, and it's happening. Every year passes by, every new group comes, and they are talking, and they are like saying, like you guys, you were saying whether what your thoughts were when you were young, and now how they changed. And and then you were also saying, hey, I have this thoughts today and it might change tomorrow, and that's okay. Because if we are restricting ourselves not to express, that is the problem. Today it will feel like that. I had so many thoughts. And finally, at maybe about 5-6 years ago, I finally decided I'm really good at inspiring people. That's what I'm going to do with the rest of my life. No more. I used to think, oh, I have to make this much money, I have to do this, I have to do that. I said, that's all over. This is it. So I knew I was good at this long time ago, but I was always thinking I cannot do that. I have to think about making money, or I have to think about being a CEO of a company, or I have to think about winning a Nobel Prize. But then, about 5-6 years ago, I decided I'm done with all of those thoughts. So I think we change, and it's okay. So I'm really glad that you're all being so expressive about each other, in front of each other, and the way you are saying to each other, like, okay, I want to do a PhD, or I want to get 100 crores, or those are all having that freedom to express in front of so many, and everyone is like listening to you and supporting you. I mean, isn't that what we all want?
Yes, sir. Like for me, yes, I needed a platform to express. Yeah, I mean that journey started with confidence, building upon confidence, then communication skills. Of course, I'm still building upon, but then yeah, I always wanted to express my views, but then I never got a chance. So
I think that's what everyone wants, Vivikta. It's not just you. I think it's for everyone. Even Sadhguru wants to do the same thing. He wants to express, So I think it's a human nature to express. But we somehow, someone will say something to you saying, how could you say that? Or you didn't say this properly, or something like that. Sometime it happens. And then you go into that shell and say, I'm not going to express. I should not express. Expression is not good. And you start defending yourself on why expression is not good. But, that's what we all want, is this expression. So great job, all of you.
Every time you tell this, right? Like everyone loves to tell their story, but no, not everyone finds their platform. But we are so fortunate that we got this platform through you, and thank you so much for that.
Absolutely fantastic. You guys are doing fantastic. I was talking to one of our. Actually, I want to ask you one of the. Oh, go ahead, Sanchandan. You talk, and then I'll tell one of the projects which I need to, which I want us to get started on. And Chandan, is Rohit next to you?
Yes, sir. He's next to me.
Okay. After you talk, I want Rohit also there.
Okay, sir. Sure. After listening to all this talk, I just need to express something. Let me say it doesn't make sense. You think of it, it makes sense or not. What I thought is, what I want to say is, everyone says that find yourself, that you are passionate about it, and go for that. And it might be correct. Don't bother. So I am not passionate about something. I'm not having something. So uh, I thought that when I feel this, I only say myself, life is all about creating ourselves. You can create it as much as you can, as much as yourself. You can create it a beautiful way, or you can make destroy it. You can do it anything. Okay. Life is yours. I'm just expressing here.
Very nicely said, Chandan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So there is a company by one of our alumni. It's Z Specialty Chemicals. Rohit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Raju,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, Saji. So we need to figure out a way to get a project started with him. So you started this Python project, right, Rohit?
Yes.
So I want to ask you, do you have the time? Because right now you are doing a couple of things. So is there time for this?
Yeah, sir. It's like we are spending less time on this, so that is why it has got stopped there. But yes, parallelly we can learn Python. But sir, as per sir, our Python should reach to a level of making a schedule making or like schedule making software, something like. We are not met with that level, but yes, we
Okay.
can.
So when you say schedule making software, can you put it into a a flowchart?
Yes, we can. So we should reach that level of like making programs in that, sir. We are
No,
at
don't
that.
worry about that part. Put it into a flowchart first. Flowchart is easy, right? Just
Yes.
putting blocks and just doing that, right? So just do flowchart first. Once you do the flowchart, we will use learn as you go method to do the whole thing. See, this is how Sai was doing some with a company, and he had to figure out how to. There was some network hacking going on, so he had to figure out how to stop that, how to figure out that it is happening and how to stop it. And he said, oh, okay. He went and looked at a couple of things, and he felt like it was Python that was going to help him. He didn't know Python. He never even that was the when Google search told him that Python might be helpful. And then he just created, then he started working on it. That's it. He started learning as you go to solve that problem. So we'll use the same principle here. So what I want you to do is, can you take the problem which Sajeev has and put it into a flowchart?
Yes, we can. I can, and we can make it happen, sir. But I think it may take. We should take some time for that. At present,
Why should we take time for creating a flowchart? Flowchart is just blocks.
flowchart we can. But as per him, that is not. Yeah, we can start with flowchart.
Yeah, just tell him. Just tell Sajeev. I spoke with him the other day. Just call him up and say, when you have your next meeting, say, can we create a flowchart? And on the phone, start creating a flowchart. On what? Once you create a flowchart, then you say, now I'm going to figure out how to, code this, how to write code on this. Okay, so just try to do that. That's all. Just try to create a flowchart. Okay, because I want to figure out a way by which we can be involved in his company. Go ahead, Deepak. So I want to figure out a way for us to be involved in his company. That's what I'm trying to see. What
Yes,
is
sir,
this company? Do you have all the details of his company? Oh, let us do this. Let us ask Sajeev to do a Top Talk.
Yeah, we were planning previously, sir, but we just forgot about that. Sajeev is planning it. Top Talk, sir.
So we have quite a few people, but let us do that, and let's get, I want the first years to get involved in a project with him. So that way, by the time, they are third years, they would have done something. They would have gotten, they would have made sufficient progress.
Sir?
Okay. Hey. Go ahead, Apurva.
Sir, like there are some speakers, you're telling about some speakers, right? So I think it would be good if we create a spreadsheet including their details also, like so that we will not forget
Right.
them.
ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఒక yeah, we have
So
to. That's why.
shall I stop recording or?
Yeah, and we'll ask Vijay to take out some stuff. Go ahead.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing your goals, your passions, and your interests. Thank you, Shravan sir, and my team for giving me this opportunity. I hope everyone enjoyed it, and thank you so much for staying this long. Thank you.